Good afternoon, everyone. I'm here in Bloconomic. Here with me, I have Anthony of Invech. Welcome, Anthony.
Hey, nice to meet you, Eugene.
Yes. Please explain to our viewers, what is Invech all about?
Okay, Invech is a very interesting crypto exchange because it's the only one that is directly licensed by a government. A lot of crypto exchanges have to go through a regulatory process, and that's why in countries like Japan you have many exchanges, or Korea and so on. We are the only government licensed exchange. Now we're a B2B exchange, which is a little bit different. Shall I explain a bit about that?
Sure.
Absolutely. All right, what the platform is because it's a B2B exchange, we're going to have an open tender system for all of the projects in Timor-Leste, which are connected to the One Belt, One Road. So building infrastructure, building hotels, building casinos, building roads, etc., etc. All of that goes through the crypto exchange, and we're going to be turning Timor-Leste into the world's first blockchain nation.
I see. Is Invech already, as far as the exchange is concerned, is it already in operations? Are users using it now?
We're going to be launching in October. We are just waiting for the government to give us the final go-ahead.
I see.
All the software is done. We've got all the licenses done. It's basically just the last few bits and pieces to get the chop on the paper.
That's wonderful.
Yeah.
Now, as far as the cryptocurrency is concerned, which ones will get listed on Invech?
Initially, we're going to be targeting the top 10 and plus our coin. And we're also open to other people listing coins. Now, because we are not dependent on coin fees and all the rest, we're going to be somewhat rigorous as to who we list. And it's not about the money, it's about coins that add value to the exchange. Another aspect of what we're doing is we really welcome people to help build the infrastructure that we're putting out, because we've got a license that's not just crypto. It's a banking license. We can build roads, we can build hotels, housing, telecoms, energy. And so that's why the Invech consultancy side of things is a very important part of the component, because we can't do this all ourselves. So the open tender system is the way to get onto that platform.
I see, okay. Now, as far as the exchange is concerned, which you all will be launching very soon,
Yes.
to any traders or users to this cryptocurrency realm, what would be the unique selling point for Invech?
Well, what's going to be better? Do you buy shares in a bank, or do you just use banking services? Because we're going to be doing what's called an IEO, and that is very different from an ICO. So you're actually being able to invest in the exchange itself. And bearing in mind, that also includes the open tender platform, the government blockchain platform, and all the rest. It's a very, very good investment opportunity.
I see, wonderful. Let's talk about the near and distant plans, or rather goals for Invech. Where do we see Invech going?
Well, like, we're starting with the exchange. So then from there, we're going to be doing all of the government blockchain, which will be public and private. Obviously, it's government. Some of it has to stay private. But that will be all of the government services, and all of the ministries will be on the blockchain. So that's going to make things like import, export, digital identities is going to be all on the blockchain. So it's going to reduce the bureaucracy to the absolute minimum. Then the open tender platform also, and we're also going to put all of the commodities and products and services on the platform as well. So all of those transactions give liquidity to the exchange.
I see, wonderful. Well, your answers has been very insightful. I'm sure our viewers have learned a lot from this interview. Thank you again, Anthony.
Thanks, Eugene. Thanks for having me on the show.
Thank
Thanks.
you.